Hello, this is Rob the Dog here, and I'm here with Mr. Noisy. Yes, this is explosive. What we got here? I've got the Disney Ooshies blind bags at Dollar Tree, and also this Nightmare Before Christmas Sally figure. Yes, this is explosive. Coca-Cola Company. Yes, I got the others I didn't film. They are Zero Jack, Santa Claus, Jack Skellington, and Oogie Boogie. Yes, these are the others I already have. I didn't film. And the guy with the axe on his head. I forgot the name. Okay, can we do the Ooshies unboxing while you open that Night Before Christmas figure when you say you're joking at me? Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is explosive. The Arby's commercial I made. Look at this. This Arby's commercial I made is explosive because this Arby's commercial is explosive because I made the King Gator commercial from the All Dogs Go to Heaven commercial. Let's make music together. Oh man, that is explosive. I'll get your folks in the KFC. What in the actual? That Arby's commercial from All Dogs Go to Heaven is explosive.
Here's some Let's Make Music Together. The home of the fort.
The home of the fort. I've got your fart and your cake. So, what we're gonna do with your folks? What in the actual world? Everything's donuts. So, this set of the Nightmare Before Christmas figures is completed. And I just realized she came with a card. Ridiculous. So I've completed my 30th anniversary Night Before Christmas figures, so she could go with the others I didn't film. Yes, duo, explosive. So, onto the Ooshies stuff. Okay, this is just explosive. What in the actual world? Everything's just explosive when you watch the Arby's commercial. Okay. Here are the Ooshies. So I've seen the video with Gonzo and V doing the video. Gonzo and V from Alphabet Lore doing that video with the Disney 100 Ooshies capsules. So what am I gonna do with your Freed? I'm gonna open the package and see what I've got in your Freed. What is it, this thing? Everything's explosive when you get your Coca-Cola when you watch the Arby's. What? I was watching a commercial that says that this logo is leaping out of water. You think? Nobody ever says you're a freak. So, what is inside the Ooshies in the Freed? What is this thing? I think it's a Frozen character, but why does everyone dislike? Why does someone dislike this movie? I think that's Anna, or maybe it's explosive. Oh, maybe I'm totally wrong. Let me pull up this name. This is something off of the National Space Station. Let me pull up Ooshies Frozen. That thing does not comprehend editing, doesn't it? So, what? I was right, it is Anna. Yes. I think I'm currently wrong by saying this is Elsa for a split second, but no, this is Anna. Freed. This was brought to you by the National Space Station. Mr. Noisy, open one. Full of donuts. You exploded your Nikes. What is the folks? I'm gonna open the back while I watch an Arby's commercial. I popped the bag open here freaking was supposed to be obvious.
Here's some Let's Smoky music together. The home of the fort.
What is this thing? I think I found a rose gold. What? This bag is just an explosive when you pop the bag open. like a popcorn bag. What? Let me pull up this one's name. What? I think it's Pocahontas. Poco without harness. Yes, I was right. This is Pocahontas. Delete this off. I'm going to McDonald's. I need the classic mini, to be honest. Give me your freaks and I'll explode. Okay. I'll open one. I have no idea who this is. I think I've made the bag look fat like a KFC. Now to watch another Arby's commercial.
Arby's, we have the Oogie Boogie!
Ah, yeah, I get your food. What? This is a crystal character. This is solely from Monster Inc. Monster Inc. Why am I showing items like this? You are explosive. I popped it open like a balloon. What in the actual world? Mr. Dorsey, open one next, or you pop the freed open. Okay. Okay, what is this fart? That's looking for that limited edition Winnie the Pooh. Bullet the tennis. Okay. What in the freak is Woody?
Here's some Let's Smoky
This is
music
sus.
together.
The phone.
Let's make music together. Let's make sweet harmony.
I think this song's fired as explosive. What? The song doesn't have a fired. It comprehends editing. Pleases your folks. Your beacon and your cloning machine. Give me the classic mini. Or that limited edition Winnie the Pooh. You are expert in the position of your spice. Okay, what is it? This sus. Oh, never mind about the coke. You all gonna go and you freak. Why are you showing items of the King Gator? You're explosive cake. I'm going to punch the bag with you fooks. Okay, what are you gonna get your fooks with? It's singing. Why am I showing? Come on, you have spewed out. You have shown the army. You're showing the armies commercial with the King Gator. Why so that I don't have the figurine of him yet. I will get him soon. Someone ordered that figurine for me right after I was listening to Let's Make Music Together. And this is brought to you by the National Space Station to get your freed. What's with all dogs go to heaven memes? Okay. Why don't I just knock down slowly in the Woody? Just gonna explode the coke. Okay, obvious. This isn't working. You will get your Coca-Cola. Try exploding yourself, okay? Oh man, this is classic Mickey. Not the classic Minnie I was hoping for. So I've completed this video. No, I need to get more so I need to get the classic Minnie and that Winnie the Pooh. Close the pies exposed. Let me watch the Arby's commercial while we end the video.
Det King Gator.
The King Gator. This is explosive.
Supposed to be at Arby's,
He sang Let's Make Music Together.
the home of the Ford.
Let's make music together.
Is that Tony?
Harmony.
Talk again and I'll have to call the
A few moments later.
Det King Gator. Det King Gator.
saying that Arby's
It says Bud Scott.
Det King Gator figurine do es not som preventor.